Namaste everyone, welcome to this channel erpedia. I am Sagar Bonzade. With your love and support, I come here with my new video. In this video, you will learn a detail about how to maintain income and expenses with profit and loss for personal or office use. Before moving on, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon so that you will be notified with my latest uploaded video. Now open the new Excel sheet. I will press Ctrl and N to open my new Excel file. First you have to select the rows in order to create the dashboard. So select up to 9 rows here and change this color to yellow, and select this bottom rows and change its color to dark gray. Now here select these two cells and click on merge and center. Here you have to write the company name. I'll write the dummy company name XYZ Private Limited. Align it to the left, and here select these 4 columns and click on merge and center. Here type income and expenses sheet, and this one is for January and February 2022. Now we have to give the underline for total rows. For that go to the bottom border, and here select the line color. We'll select the line color for the same gray 50%, and here again you have to select the bottom double border. Now we'll create the table first. For that we have to type here the symbol number. This one is for date, source of income, and amount. Now copy this, leave one column and paste here. Increase this source of income and the source of expenses column. Change this to the source of expenses. Now we have to convert this into the table. For that select the 3 rows and press Ctrl and T. Here we have to check the my table has header and click on the OK. Uncheck this banded row. Now we'll change this header color to green. So here select this one. Now again do the same process here. Press Ctrl and T. Check this my table as header. Click on OK. Uncheck this banded row and change this color to first you have to select the header and change this color to green. Even you can design your table. First you have to select this and change this to the all borders. Do the same process here. Select up to your requirement and change this to all border. Now we'll make our dashboard more aesthetic. For that go to insert and click on the shapes and select this rectangle shape and draw the rectangular shape here. Now in the shape outline click on no outline. Copy this and paste here. We need 4 icons for income, expenses, profit and loss. You can download the icon from the Google. Here I will copy my previous icons here and paste to my new file. Now again go to insert here, click on the shapes and select rectangle shape and type here total income. Make them bold and increase this font to 12. Now go to format and click this, and in the shape outline it must be no outline. Copy this and paste here. This one is my total expenses. And do the same for other 2. Before we show the total income, total expenses, total profit and total loss here now we have to type some data in this two table. I'll copy my previous data in order to save time, so I'll copy this all and paste it to here. I'll do it for the income data also. Copy this and paste here. Done. Change this name of sheet to data. You can even change this tab color. Now you have to create the new sheet here. Here type income, expenses, profit and loss. Profit and loss. We have to give some formula in order to show the income. Those income which has been shown in this row 6, we will shift it to the this total income dashboard. Now we have to enter the formula. For that, type equals sum. Use sum formula, and when you press the tab and go to this data, select this amount, and when hit enter, it will show the total income in our income cell. For the expenses, do the same. Type sum and go to this data and select this total expenses and hit enter. For profit, type equal if this income is greater than the expenses, then it will show the income minus expenses, otherwise it will show empty. Done. Do the same for the loss. Type equal if, tab here, if income is less than expenses, then you have to show the expenses minus income, expenses minus income, and if not, then empty. Or you can change the formula by typing here 0. Now we'll shift the income, expenses, profit and loss to our dashboard. For that, you have to copy this and paste here. Now here in the first you have to select this. Rectangle and go to this formula bar and type here equals. Go to this sheet and go to the cell where income is available. Click this cell and hit enter. You'll show the magic. This all the income is shown in our total income dashboard here. Make it bold and change this color to red and adjust it properly. Now copy this and paste here. Do the same for profit and loss. Now here you only have to change the formula and go to the total expense. Select this total expense and here go to this formula bar and change this to E. For profit, the cell is F6, and for the loss it is G6. Now we have to make it bold and change this color to red. Do the same for profit and loss. Make it bold and red. Done. Now our dashboard is ready. The only remaining thing is, now we want to freeze up to this row. So select this row 13 and go to this view, and here in the freeze pans, click on this freeze pan. Now when you scroll it down, our dashboard will show at the top. You can even make them bold. This one, when you add the data to the income or the expenses, it will automatically update the total profit and the total loss, the total expenses and the total income dashboard. I think I have clearly explained about the income and expenses, how you can maintain your income and expenses with profit and loss, either at the home or for the office work. If you enjoy this video, then please subscribe my channels, and if you have Excel related work, then you can directly message on my Instagram. Thank you for watching my video.